bathroom renovation is a great and rewarding home improvement project. But the main question on many people's minds is, how long does bathroom remodeling take? The answer depends on what type of changes you want to make and who is doing the work. The design process can take anywhere from a few days to several months, depending on the scope of the changes that you want to make. The average time is 1 month. If your bathroom doesn't have sufficient lighting or ventilation, then it may require major renovations that are more in-depth than just new fixtures and surfaces, which would increase the time frame. Once you have a design in place, your box construction representative will provide an estimate of how long the bathroom renovation will take. Once you decide to go ahead with the project, the length of time will vary depending on what materials are needed and whether any existing elements need to be removed before starting work. On average, it takes 2 weeks of work to remodel the bathroom. Because of COVID-19 shortages, some delivery items may take longer. Some projects take a little less time and others take a little longer. Some of the materials used for the project may only take 1 to 3 days to be delivered. If you're having tile or cabinet installed, it may require several days for them to cure before they can be grouted or installed. Smaller items like paint and fixtures usually arrive faster once the materials are on site. It takes an average of 3 days to complete your renovation. When you're starting a home improvement project like bathroom remodeling, be sure to create a checklist of tasks or items that need to be done or fulfilled. This goes along with your planning. This will keep you organized and ensure that nothing is overlooked. It might even help you determine how long does bathroom remodeling take in your case. You should also make sure you have enough budgeted to complete the work as well as a timeline for how long it will take.
Call now 951-336-0550 or visit us on the web at boxconstructioncorp.com.